Hello, guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be telling you how to create an avatar video for free with the help of AI through Creato AI website. This website is totally free of cost. How long it will stay free of cost? We don't know. But right now it's totally free. So let us start the video. So first, you have to open this website. cretoai.com. Link has been given in the description also.
Firstly, you will have to open this website creatoai.com and just you have to type creatoai.com and hit enter. Then this link will come creatoai.com. Just open it, first one. Then firstly you will have to register. If you already registered, just simply logged in, start creating. Then you will have to start video creation, copyright, picture creation, whatever you want to do. It's amazing. So let's start the video. Firstly, I want to create the video, so click on it and start creating. So there are many characters like USA, Asian, Japanese, Korean, Southeast Asian, Indian, Middle East, Africa, Indian character, Middle East. So as much you want, if you want to, you can choose anyone. So let me choose one. So I choose this one, and then you will have to choose the language. And the language type USA, Chinese, English, UK English, African, whatever you want over there you can see here. You can choose it. So let me choose English. So you can choose any kind of voice, male or female, as per your convenience. You can choose it, and then you will have to choose the language style. Like there are assist, chat, customer service. So I'm just creating video like I want to support someone, so I will select her assist. Then you will have to write the text, whatever text you want, just create a video about. So let me type the text. So I already have a text, so let me paste over here. So then firstly you will have to listen this how it looks like.
Hello, guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create an AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day.
So this was all, and then you will have to click on generate video. Just click on that, and then you will have to come to the my project, and your video is ready. Let me play this video.
Hello, guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create an AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day.
So this was the video. You will have to just open the website. You will have to click on the video creation, and you will have to start creating, and you can choose whatever character you want to choose. So choose the language type, character tone, language style and language. So you can choose it and write the text and just click on the generate video. So this was all. Then it will take hardly 2 to 5 minutes to create your video. Then now you will have to come to the my project, and all the video will be visible over here. You can just click the download the video as you want. See the video start downloading, and you can just open it, and you can just use it in anywhere you want. See this video. Let me show the full video.
Hello, guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create an AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day.
So look at the quality, guys, how quality was, how it is good. So it is totally in 4K up to 8K video. You can just edit it, and you can just use it in your YouTube videos anywhere you want. So this website is just amazing. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new to here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.